In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to stop auto share Instagram post video reels to your threads. All you have to need, go to your Instagram. From your Instagram, just tap on this plus icon to create a sample post. So I'm selecting post and selecting this photo for example, tapping on next, and in this new post section, scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here you'll find this option also share on. Just tap on also share on, and here if you turn on also share on threads, if it's turned on, then all of your Instagram posts will be automatically shared to your threads. So all you have to need to turn off auto share Instagram to threads, just disable this thread option. Stop sharing to threads, you can select don't share this post, and to permanently disable auto share, select stop sharing all posts, and then tap on back. And now on, whenever you post something on your Instagram, those posts will not automatically share to your threads. Thanks for watching.